Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Here I'm back with another DBMS project, that is Lab Data Management System. So first of all, let me switch on the XAMPP control panel. So as you can see, I have switched on the Apache and MySQL in XAMPP control panel, and admin I have started. So when I click on admin, I will be getting this page. So now it is not required. So let's get started with the project. So the name of the project is Medilab. So to start it, I will type localhost Medilab. So as you can see, this is the UI we get when we type localhost Medilab. So this is the home, services, about, and something extra. So we have six ribbons or buttons, we can say, that is home, services, about, login, sign up, and tech log. So first of all, let's see what is tech log. So this project is designed in such a way that we will be having three different departments. One department will get the test details of, for example, for a blood test is to be taken, then one department will take the test details, next department will generate the report, and another department will supervise the records. And here this view reports is for anyone. Anyone can make sure whether the report has been processed or not. Whereas to review the report, the person who will be logged in will also be provided. So let me sign up. So let me give the first name as ASDF and last name as QWERTY, and email address be asdf@gmail.com. And let me create a password. Let it be very simple and let me confirm it. And as soon as I click on sign up, it says sign up successful. So I will be landed on login page. So let me log in again. So here I have logged in. As you can see here, it says welcome asdf@gmail.com. So now I'm getting another benefit, that is to see the lab report. As you can see, here are the things we can see. Emergency case, we can contact. This is the contact form. If you want to see the lab report, which I have given during the lab test, for example, a person has given a ID as 1. So if I click on generate, so this is what we can see. Can come back or go to home, or you can even log out. Let me log out and see what tech log is. So get test details. So well, as soon as I click on get test details, enter patient details, it says to log in. So let me log in. This credential will be given to the lab technicians. So I have given a name as peter@gmail.com and his password is like this. And when I click on login, I get this page. So I can give the doctor name, patient name, gender. Let me do it and show you. For example, doctor XYZ and patient name is ASDF and this gender is male. Let me take it as a blood test ID. So here we have some test IDs. For blood test BT1, that is 80 rupees. So let me say BT1 amount is 80. So are you sure with the enter data? Yeah. Let me proceed. So data upload has successful. So next department is to take the patient information. So this is the complete information, that is ASDF. Last name is QWERTY. So let me give the today's date. Let me give his name, age as 25 and weight as 85. And his email ID is like asdf@gmail.com. And let me give a random phone number, and let's get the tick box done and let us proceed. So data upload successful. So here this window will show displaying the patient details. See, the department one has completed this its job by filling the patient details. He can fill new form, add a new report, or log out. As you can see, the report will generated within next 12 hours. Please be patient till the report is uploaded. So the offline center, most probably the lab data center, like lab data management, will be mostly offline. So when I click on fill new form, I can fill it. If I don't have any other forms, I can just log out. So next person is like supervise the records or new report. So let us generate a new report. I have given a lab technician name as adya@gmail.com, and his password is like 123456. So when I click on login, here are the test details. So here I need to confirm it, and test name is blood test BT1, date is today, and the current time, let me give the current time, and test one, for example. So here let me give the blood test or like hemoglobin, and the result is like 13, and units are GDL. And let me choose this one, it is less than. Biological reference is HB, and methodology is arterial sampling, and tick box, and let me save it. So upload it. We have uploaded the data. Here also he gets the preference like fill new form, add a new report, and log out. Let me log out from here and log in with another credential, that is the user's one. So as soon as I log in, so basically we know that our lab report number is 4. So when I click on 4, it will be generated. As you can see, first name, last name. This is what the user will see when he enters his ID. I hope you like this project. If you want this project, the complete details of this project and the price of this project is given in the description.